Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to compare two files code in Visual Studio Code. First of all guys, I will need you to go to your browser and get Visual Studio Code from here. So search in the URL section for Visual Studio Code, go to the first website and this is it, code.visualstudiocode.com. This is the official website for Visual Studio. So all you need to do now is actually click on download for Windows to actually get it for Windows. Else, if you have any other operating system, you can just click on here, Mac OS, Linux, you can choose whether you would want from these two and then click on download. Of course, there is other ways of downloading and you can just open it on your web browser. And make sure guys that you are not confused between Visual Studio Code and Visual Studio because they are completely different softwares. And if we search for it, let me just Google it real quick. So it is Visual Studio. As you can see here, they are so much similar and they have like the same logo beside the color, which is different, but the same name as well, which is Visual Studio and Visual Studio Code. So make sure that you are on Visual Studio Code and the bluish logo one. Now let's go to Visual Studio and then let's open a new folder. So here we go, open folder, and here we go. Now this is the folder that I have chosen. So in order for me to compare two files in this folder, what can I do? Just click here. I will name this, for example, file 1.json, and I will create a new file, which I will name it file2.json. Now I'm going to click here and click on select to compare, and I will go to the second one and compare with selected. Just like so, if there was any code in here, like you will be able to actually compare these two files in Visual Studio Code. As you can see here, for example, if I wrote something in here, um, console dot, let me just type anything. Basically, because I don't have the language, that's why it is not working really well. But anyway, you get the idea. For example, if I write the same thing here, let me just paste it, for example, you will be able to see the codes in both files. So this is file 1, this is file 2. So guys, that was basically it. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next tutorial.